Okay, so should we start? Okay, so should we start, guys?
वेट फॉर 2-3 मिनट्स.
Okay, okay.
थोड़े लोगों को ज्वाइन होने दो.
Okay. So, good morning, one and all present here. I, Riya Thakkar, welcome to all on this wonderful day. It's a wonderful morning, and I feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to all here from Khel Manch, the Game Club of TPPG, Department of Public Policy and Governance, BK School of Professional and Management Study, Gujarat University. Happy Independence Day to all of you. On the occasion of Independence Day, we are requesting to you all to get up on your space because here we are playing our national anthem on our Independence Day. So requesting you all guys. And please turn on your all cameras.
Guys, please, I request all of you to stand in your places for the anthem and please turn on your cameras. Please, guys. Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, yes.
I request you all please to stand in your places. And please, guys, turn on your camera. Shall we wait for you for the few minutes? If you or we shall we start? Please unmute and tell us.
स्टार्ट कर दो.
ठीक है. Okay.
यार तेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
yes.
Yes, Nancy.
So once again, can you all turn on your camera so that we can take a pledge? You have to repeat to what I'm saying. Just guys, please, everyone. बैठे बैठे ही ऑन कर दो, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन ऑन तो कर दो. Okay. So let's take a pledge towards our country. India is my country. I would like to please repeat after me, everyone. Please, guys, unmute yourself and repeat. So I'm starting. India is my country,
India is my
India is my
country,
country,
and all Indians are my brothers and sisters.
and all Indians are my brother and
brother and
sister.
sister.
I love my country,
I
I
love my
love my
country,
country,
and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
and I am proud of my its rich and various heritage.
heritage.
I shall always strive to
I
I
shall
shall
always try
always
to
try to
be worthy of it.
Be
Be
worthy of
worthy
it.
of it.
I shall give respect to my parents,
I
I
shall
shall
give
give
respect to
respect to
my
my
parents,
parents,
teachers,
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 elders,
and
and
elders,
elders,
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and
and
treat
treat everyone with courtesy.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So now let's take a few moments and celebrate our Independence Day with a short clip. Yatri voice is not coming. Okay. So now let's see a short clip of dance video which was prepared by our team members Nilesh, Divya, and Yatri. Yatri, please share the screen. Yatri voice is not coming.
Yatri, please, one meeting, one is leave.
Still, it's not audible, Yatri, properly.
Just a second.
कि तेरा नाम है साचा मन मेरी यार पाचा बस नाम तेरा माँ हो एक पहचान मेरी तू ही जिंद चांद मेरी तू ही जहान मेरा माँ
तुझ पे वारना सौ वारी जान में तुझ पे वारना सौ वारी जान में तेरे कुर्बान मेरी माँ
Ria, you are on mute.
Okay, now audible? Yes, yes. It's a wonderful, guys. Yatri, Nilesh, and Divya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay, so now let's turn on our game club event. It's a very interesting and funny game. The name is Emoji Pictionary. I guess everyone must have thought of what kind of game it would be, right? Okay, so there are three round of game. The first round is first round would be a Bollywood song by emoji. The second round would be Bollywood movies by emoji, and the third round is phone's name by emoji. And आपको guess करना होगा वो कौन सा phone है, right? And the last and final round is uh, cricketer's name. So जो तीन राउंड में जो लोग विनर्स हो गए जिसने राइट आंसर दिया होगा वो फाइनल राउंड खेल सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ ओवर टू यू मानसी.
Thank you very much, Ria. So let's start with the game. And so the rules are simple. If you know the answer, type 1 in the chat box. जिसका पहले नाम दिखेगा उसको चांस मिलेगा. और and whoever is giving the answer, you have to turn on your cameras. हाँ, compulsory है सबके लिए. Please, guys. Okay. So let's start. Come on, guys, guess. Okay, Angel.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम चांद ढलने लगा.
Okay, it's the correct one. So this point goes to Angel. Guys, please turn on your camera.
Please, camera on.
Thank you. सब लोग कर दो, कोई बात नहीं. सुबह सुबह उठे सबके मुंह ऐसे ही है, सेम है, so it's not an issue. Okay, next please. Okay. Guess guys.
गाइस हमने थोड़ी हिंट भी दी हुई है, थोड़ा गेस
I
करो.
can say the answer, but I can't turn on my camera. I'm outside.
It's fine.
Go
It's
ahead.
Auntie Ji Get Up and Dance.
Yes, it's the right one, correct one. So this point goes to Hetvi. Okay, next Nilesh. Okay. You have to write one in the chat box, huh? Remember the rules. And if appropriate, please turn on the cameras. Come on, guys.
यशेश.
Okay, yeah. Yashesh.
मेरे हाथों में 9 चूड़ियां है.
Okay, it's correct. So this point goes to Yashesh. Okay, next please. Oh, this is very easy. Can I play too? Okay, Hetvi again.
Gulabi Aankheं.
Okay, yes, it's the correct one. So this point goes to Hetvi. Nilesh, next please. Which song is this? Druvin.
या तूने मारी एंट्री दिल में बजी घंटी.
नो नो, वो वाला है, मेरे दिल का टेलीफोन बजे ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग.
Yes.
You are right, Selena.
या
Okay,
वही
this
है.
point goes to Selena. Good one. Okay, next please. Okay, guess this one.
Again, Selena.
सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं.
Okay, good one. This point goes to Selena. चलो boys कहाँ गए? Come on, girls are leading यार. सो रहे हो क्या सब? Nilesh, please change it. Okay, guess this one.
इसमें कोई क्लू की जरूरत नहीं है. गेस. हेतवी.
This is तूने मारी एंट्री दिल में बजी घंटी.
नहीं.
Yes, वही है.
दृष्टि यस
Yeah.
यस
It's the
यहाँ
right
है.
one. Yes, it's the correct one. तूने मारी एंट्री दिल में बजी घंटी. Okay, this point goes to Hetvi again. Next, please. Drashti.
Trusty Jasa.
Turn on your cameras, हाँ? तो ही आपका point count होगा.
चलाओ ना नैनों से बांध के.
One. Okay, it's the correct one. This point goes to Drashti. Okay. Okay. Guess this one.
Trusty.
Trusty.
Again, Trusty Jasa.
मैं तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड तू मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड.
Okay. Yes, is the correct one. This point goes to Drashti again. Okay. So round one here is completed. Now let's move to the second one. Bollywood movies, right, Riya?
Yes.
Okay. So now you have to guess the Bollywood movies with the emojis itself. And the rules will be the same. Okay. so share the screen, please.
All of you please participate, तो ही इसमें मजा आएगा.
And turn on the cameras, guys. Okay, Yashesh.
Chuck the India.
Correct. So this point goes to Yashesh. Next, please. Guess this movie. Selena.
Mr. India.
Right. Okay. The next, please. Guess this movie, guys.
Aishvi.
Ashwi.
Karan Arjun.
Yes, it's correct. Next, please. Okay, guess this one.
Again Yashish.
It's Andhadhun.
It's
Yes.
correct.
If it's possible, please turn on your cameras, यार. Please, please, please. तो हमको भी मजा आएगा खिलाने के लिए आपको. Okay, so this point goes to Yashesh. Next, please. Oh, guess this one, guys. Angel.
जब वी met.
No.
Oh dear, it's not Jab.
हम तुम.
No, it's not Hum Tum.
Aishvi.
Ashwi has raised her hand.
Chennai Express.
No, guys,
Okay.
this is very easy. Everyone wants to do these things.
DDLJ.
No, guys, no.
ये जवानी है
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay,
Wow.
so Hetvi said it first and it was correct. So this point goes to Hetvi.
Guys, please
What's
camera on करो यार.
It was very obvious. We can see the tent and the train. Bunny, we can see. Okay. So please, the next one. Okay, guess this one.
It's very easy.
Angel.
English.
Yes.
Correct.
Now you are correct. Okay, so this point goes to Angel. Next, please.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. Okay, sorry, I forgot to write in chat box. You can cancel that.
Okay, Angel, this was your answer, right?
Yes. जिंदगी
Okay.
ना मिलेगी.
Hetvi, so sorry, but you have to.
I forgot. I'm so sorry for that.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
not an issue. Okay, Angel. So this point goes to Angel. Please, guys, write one in the chat box. Okay, next. Okay. Hetvi again.
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
Nahi.
मोहब्बतें.
मोहब्बतें.
Yes. Okay. Selena gets this point. It was correct. Mohabbatein. Okay. Next, please. Guess this movie.
अरे गेस इट गाइस, किसी को नहीं पता.
Guys, no one? Do you want the hint?
Yes, we want hint.
Okay, so I will tell you one actor name. It's Ranveer Singh and Priyanka Chopra. Okay,
Yes.
Yashesh.
दिल धड़कने दो.
हाँ, it's correct. दिल धड़कने दो. So this points goes to Yashesh. Next slide, please. Okay.
It's very easy, huh?
Selena. Yes. Selena.
Ashiki 2. Ashiki 2.
No. Dhruv.
Rockstar. Rockstar.
Okay, so the second one was right. So okay, this points goes to Selena. Chalo. Next, please. Okay, guess this movie.
Again, Selena.
Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
No.
Selena.
Devdas.
Yes. It's Devdas. Correct, Hetvi. So this points goes to Hetvi. Okay, it's the last one, guys, I guess. Please. Where are the boys? All the girls are leading here. Okay, so change the slide, English. Guess the movie. Selena again.
Student of the Year.
True. Okay. So this points goes to Selena again. Okay, so we are done with the second one, which was you have to guess the movies by its emojis. Now the last one, and whoever will be the winner have to play the final round. Okay. So now we have to guess the mobile brand names with the emojis. Okay, everyone clear? Rules will be the same. Cameras on. Type 1 in the chat box. जिसका पहले दिखेगा उसको चांस मिलेगा.
हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि रेज हैंड करें. अच्छा 1 ही ठीक है. ओके, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay. So share the screen, please. Is it any problem or something, Selena? Because
या एक्चुअली ना फोन में से 1 लिखना बहुत लेट हो जाता है, सो हम मिस कर देते हैं वो चांस.
वही.
ओके, सो लेकिन रेस हैंड में फिर हमको चूज करने के लिए हमको थोड़ा
नहीं, इट्स ओके. 1 ही ठीक है. कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात
वो
नहीं.
लाइन में ही आता है. जो फर्स्ट रेज हैंड करेगा उसका पहले आएगा.
हाँ.
बट किसी ने पहले कर दिया तो ये भी है ना.
So what do you want us to do?
1 ही ठीक है.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start with the last one, guys. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, guess this brand. Selena.
Nokia.
Yes, it's correct. This points goes to Selena. Where are the boys? Next, please. Girls are leading, guys. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Okay.
Khushi.
Eyeball.
Yes, it's
correct. It's eyeball. This points goes to Khushi. Next, please. This one. Guess this brand.
Drashti.
Reliance.
Yes, it's Reliance. Correct. This points goes to Drashti. Okay. Change. Next, please. Okay. Guess this brand.
Khushi. Again, Khushi.
Sony.
Yes, correct. It's Sony. Okay. Next, please. Girls are leading today. All the boys are sleeping, I guess. Okay. Selena again, I guess. Ria?
iPhone.
It's
iPhone.
Yes.
It's correct.
Next, please. Guess this brand. Selena again.
Am I?
No. No, dear.
Motorola.
It's wrong.
It's wrong again. Ashvi has raised her hand.
Micromax.
Yes, it's Micromax. Correct. So this point goes to Ashvi. Okay. Next, please. Okay.
एक second. Previous slide.
Maxi.
Wait, Nilesh.
What happened?
It's a wrong answer. It's not Micromax.
For previous, it's Samsung.
Yes, Rasmi.
Yes.
It's a Samsung.
Okay, guys, my bad. Sorry. It's a Samsung. So who gave the answer? Actually, I was doomed for a second. Please, guys, see this. Sorry, guys, my mistake.
Okay, next. Khushi.
HTC.
Yes, correct.
Yes. HTC. Next, please. Acha, हाँ. Okay, Khushi again.
Micromax.
Now, okay, guys, this is the Micromax. Now I got it. Okay, this one is correct. This is correct, right, Ria?
Yes,
Am I-
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so Khushi got the right answer. Again, next, please.
Come on, guys. Yes,
Yashish.
Carbon.
it's correct. Yes.
Carbon. Okay, so
Hello.
this one is correct. Next, please. Guess this mobile brand.
Guys, guess करो.
And please turn on the cameras. Yashish again. Yashish, possible हो तो
Tata.
camera on कर दे.
It's not possible, Mansi. Sorry.
So
Please.
okay. So what's the answer?
Tata.
Tata.
पूरा नाम बोलो.
Tata,
Yeah.
Tata Indicom.
Yes.
Tata Indicom is the correct. Okay. So next, please. Next. Okay. Khushi.
BlackBerry.
Yes. So this point goes to Khushi. Next, please. Last one है, guys.
गाइस जो अभी तक नहीं बोला वो बोलो. ओके, यस यस अभी तक कैमरा ऑन कर दो.
मैं बोलू. हेलो.
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
सोनी एरिक्सन.
Yes, it's correct.
वेट, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कैमरा ऑन करने में. मुझे 5 मिनट दो.
अगर लास्ट में अगर आप विनर हो, फाइनल राउंड में जाते हो तो कंपलसरी सबको ऑन करना पड़ेगा.
आई विल ट्राई.
Only
ओके.
I will consider. Okay. So the 3 rounds are completed, sorry. And so the winners will be playing in the final round. So please give us a few minutes so that we can announce the winners. Guys, just 2-3 minutes, huh?
Guys, I speak the winners. Angel, Hetvi, Yashesh, Selena.
Wait, Ria, wait.
What happened? Okay, okay. Okay, so I speak the winners' name. There are six winners: Selena, Yashish, Hetvi, Angel, Khushi, and Drasti Jashani. Congratulations to winners. Uh,
Thank you.
So these will be playing in the final round. And now I request all the winners to please turn on the cameras. Okay, except Hetvi as she's traveling. While you give the answers, please. Okay, thank you very much. Everyone, each and every winner. Okay. And now, with the most of the answers, they will be the winners in the final round.
yes, guys. All the best to all winners.
Okay, so you have to guess the cricketer's name with the emojis. Okay, so everyone ready? I can see the faces. Okay. So from the winners, only answers will be accepted. Okay, so let's start.
Khushi.
Sachin Tendulkar.
It's correct, Khushi.
Okay. Yes, Khushi's answer is right. Now next, please. This point goes to Khushi. Okay. Guess this cricketer.
Yashish.
कार्तिक दिनेश कार्तिक
It's correct.
It's Dinesh Karthik. Okay. Yes, it's correct. So this point goes to Yashesh. Next, please. Drashti.
Rohit Sharma.
Sorry, Drashti.
Rohit Sharma.
Yes, it's correct
Yes,
one.
it's Rohit Sharma, right? Okay. Next, please.
Khushi. Again, Khushi.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Yes, it's correct.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. It's right. This point goes to Khushi. Okay. Next, please. Guess this one. Drashti. I guess it's Drashti.
Yes, yes.
Michael Hussey.
Yes, Drashti.
It's correct. Michael Hussey. Okay. This point goes to Drashti. Okay. Next, please. Okay. Guess this cricketer.
Selena.
विराट कोहली.
No, it's wrong, Selena.
It's wrong.
Yes.
युवराज सिंह.
Yes, it's Yuvraj Singh. Correct. Okay, this point goes to Yashish. Next, please. Okay, guess this cricketer.
Drashti.
Jadeja.
Sorry, you were not audible.
Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja.
Yes, it's correct.
It's Ravindra Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja. Okay, this point goes to Drashti. Okay. Okay. So next slide, please.
Again, Drashti.
Virat Kohli.
It's correct one. Next slide, please. Guys, guess please. Yashish.
रैना. सुरेश रैना.
It's correct. Next slide, please, Nilesh. Drashti.
Kapil Dev.
It's correct one. Kapil Dev. Again, Drashti. Guys, come on. Drashti बहुत आगे जा रही है.
Ashwin.
पूरा नाम बोलो Drashti.
Ravichandra Ashwin.
Yes, yes, Drashti. Yashish.
विनय कुमार.
Vinay Kumar. Yes. Come on, all winners. Again, Drashti. Drashti, आंसर शीट नहीं मिल गई ना तुमको.
अरे नहीं I'm a fan of cricket.
Okay.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
You speak loud, Drashti.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
It's correct. Next slide, please. Come on, guys. Selena.
सुरेश रैना.
it's wrong. Guys, come on, last two names left. Aishwi.
Shrikant.
Hardik
Shrikant
Pandya.
something.
No. Aishwi, please.
Hardik Pandya.
No, it's not
I
Hardik.
don't know the name.
Oh, my bad. It's okay.
I don't know. Can I?
Dhruv Gandhi.
Yeah, I'm not in the final round, but can I answer?
I guess no one knows the answer, so we can take from the audience, right, Riya?
No, wait. Khushi write one in the chat box.
Okay, so let's give Khushi a chance.
Is it Ricky Ponting?
No, dear.
Now I
Hello?
can.
Yes, Sri.
I don't know the full name, but it's Vijay. I don't know the name.
You have to.
Yeah, it's Murli Vijay.
Yes, Murali Vijay.
Okay. So let's not give this point to anyone, as half was guessed by Dhruvin and half was guessed by Drashti. Okay, next.
This is last one, guys, please. Drashti, again Drashti Dasani.
Shikhar Dave.
Yes, it's correct one. Okay, so the first winner is Drashti Jashani. The second one is Yashesh Thakkar, and the third winner is Khushi Zota. Congratulations to all winners. Seriously, it's congratulations. And now we conclude our event. Thank you so much to my all the participants and who are participating here. And I would very thankful to Neelam ma'am and Professor Darshini ma'am to give this wonderful opportunity to this event. And guys, up camera on kar do, please.
Guys, please turn on the camera so that we can capture the moment with you all. And thank you very much for joining on Sunday in this morning.
Yes.
And we made the event successful because of you. Thank you very much. And happy Independence Day to all.
Yeah, happy Independence Day, all of you.